Finally got some stickers after like 6 months of trying to find them at a very cheap price. So we'll put these bad boys on, one on the front, side, and then maybe a casual sticker up here or somewhere. And before that we've got to quickly clean the pit bike before it pisses down the rain. So we'll get out clean, dried, ready for some bits which I've ordered for it, so we can quickly flip it and we put these bad boys back on. So yeah, winner. First sticker. Fucking. What the fuck? Not looking too bad. Just these bad boys. No idea where we're putting these, so bear with me. So I think we'll put the smaller ones on the side, possibly put them in a circle somewhere by the top of a tank cap. One of these on the back. I think these are quite cute little things. Fuck knows really. Yeah, just do one by one and see what it looks like. See if it'll be make or break. Suppose I could have both sides different. One side, depending, you can have it whatever way you look. So if you don't like stickers one day, on the other side, just turn it around, look a bit different. Not to everybody's taste, but it's different. That's what I was trying to go for. I didn't want to buy like loads of stickers. I just wanted to buy a couple of stickers. Wasn't too sure about black. Only went for black because it matches the fuel cap and the seat. But I might just paint them grey just so they blend in. Not an overkill, but well, I'll let you decide. So we found ourselves a nice location and the sun's setting. I don't think anybody's around to bother us. So we're on a dust estate. So yeah, it's a long time coming. Blow the dust off, put some fuel in it and hopefully it runs. And maybe try and do some cheeky oil spins, but as if it doesn't blow up. So yeah, let's put some fuel in it and give it a spin. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. There's plenty more things coming, loads in the pipeline, and project's going to get bigger and better every time. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that one. And it's not blown up yet, so catch you in a bit. And yeah, see you later.